how do you now want to marry? So you need to have a balanced life. For example, I was teaching somewhere just like a few days ago, right? And I made a statement. I said, I'm one of those human beings that is contented with his life. Like, because I have a balanced life. You can't push me around. I don't run around. I don't say, so that I'm running around. I don't run around. If I have to run at all, I will run to a place. I'm balanced, I'm relaxed, I'm okay. I'm not hungry. I'm not trying to look for money. I need money. No. I'm okay. Everything I need, I have. You see, there are only a few people that talk like this. This one is not faith, though. This one is not confession. So these are things that I have practiced and I know. That's what I teach in my life. I say, I don't teach what I have not practiced. I don't practice what I preach. You know, there's a saying that practice what you preach. No, that's not my case. My case is that I only teach what I have practiced. I know it works. You know, we had a class the other day and I was asked a question and I said, I'm sorry, I can't teach you that one. I have not experienced it. Because it's a question that is related to relationship kind of, you know. And I'm like, I can't be teaching you that kind of a thing. I'm not in a relationship. This particular matter, I'm not going to teach you. I never experienced them. I want to teach you what I never experienced. Do you understand? I've not practiced it. So I can't teach you. So there are things that I'll tell you I cannot teach. And now, let's move further.